Osno amanyoko MPP no enche na omu koyi kandini sebeye Kennedy sebeye Bawumia Bryan Acheampong Kwabena Agyapong and Dr. Adutwum menu yintimatre.
A very difficult president, which is Mahamadu Bawumia, or a very arrogant, many knowledge. We need respect and many pa. Obedi Ghana na so. Na na dwenye ni say obedi Ghana so no de nyala ho. Eni na busua. What you say? Akufo-Addo treat most people even within his own party. Akufo-Addo do maybe na when you really feel that there's election ahead of him. Akufo-Addo do maybe na the highly disrespectful even to the chiefs not too much. He want to have one of the media stations there and I yebusa say amampanyin amanfo amwo kwa abrese omakwan na wa anya amomum to abama mu ozo before mo be me want to me fa ho be
Katachie michia o hene
so anwa
opanyino we de me ba nchen a tietia akoye amanyo ye oman obi ka ho bi na ye osno amanyoko MPP no enche na omu koyi kandini sebeye Kennedy sebeye Bawumia Bryan Acheampong Kwabena Agyapong and Dr. Adutwum menu yintimatre. Na emo makoye amanyo ntino yebetima kire ya agene katachie ohene pon wogidi say hwan na ebedi sa party ya na say amanyoko enim kan na die na wonim fa sa amanyoko no.
Yo, opinion me mau ajubiem. You question obi some media say odi kan no say aye amanyo. Say amanyo dia na che say nipa ku bi o maka ho abom obi bi mu. Ewo amanyo se mu yesa.
Sa pepepe.
Nka me dia ya na I'm not much interested. Ewo amanyo se mu because so ka say me sha plan na ebedi kunimu a ebe di se betimi emprempre se me no ka say me metimi di madwena predict se asmesi ana obenten na ebedi kunim na de omuni se a political party inti omo contest no within their party rank no obi are qualified to be a leader, but you will be qualified to be the leader of a country within the five no it's among the MPP electorate. So what I say within them no, as I said, obi are qualified to them, obi are qualified to lead the party. But then you be an qualified see between the Ghana Shenisa. So Busamia, I don't know me.
Yo, and Komono Akoye Bebre, Ebese Dr. Bawumia, Obey running mate 8 years. Was I be vice president 8 years? Okaboma 16 years. In fear dunsia. And the Monyambia I was a Ghana Shenibia Yashano. Take a woman who can obi from Ra. Obi say, hey, can I Japan ya debia o kasa yi. Ah, wo se kai, dia na wo pe biem. Ebe se Bryan Acheampong no Dr. Adutwum nyina enne. Amonyo sam ene omu kasa modem bo adwuma mo ye no amomodi ye. Ndiga kikikikire no ehu hia. But akoye amonyo sam, wo ye de ya so wo yi kandini. O se koye Ken ana Bawumia, ana se Bryan, ana se Adutwum, ana se Kwabena Agyapong. Ojidi se party no MPP no betime you be a Ghana pe amaye.
Mr. Just one thing is let me cry, So we acquire a fisem. So me can say what you say, sir. So me can acquire a fisem. What I mean is a election for a certain political party.
Exactly.
A year election for the nation. So me comment on this particular election might not matter that much because me member of, even if I'm a member of MPP, we I think the only delegates in a day elected only leader. Knowledge we in general elections and I involve entire country citizens.
Okay.
And now enter MPP members who be unfun against we only for the delegates. Say delegates in Kwan so they are me. I don't qualify to elect any of them. Okay, so but Penny say me ko bi na man ka bi die. Ene nka wan kokora na nka ye akoya amanyosem ene ye Ghana efa Ghana ho. Ene na beba e bia oboda me kakra ama me soma kire magene. Me magene se mu no. Omunyina said the can beginning no. Omanya omane so mfa so bebrebe e kire me ni wi no. Oti ase. Ense fenke banisha. Because omanye wo ho na adidie bi wo ma. Ense fenke kromani mu nipa nyina yenya ne pepepe na politicians no. Omo wa adwini bi se omo nko an qualified to take the portion, the better portion of the state cake. So, why no? I don't know, yeah, no, my opinion. Omo say, omo nko qualify, ana omo qualify. Say, obi kura qualify na onyoy amanyoku bia. Most of the times, it doesn't matter how intellectual, how knowledgeable, how experienced obi wo ewo. On mind to you, for position because you are not one of them. So what you say? Any problem as a people, we don't elect people who can do the job. We elect people who are part of us, which is belonging to their political class or political party. So that's yes, any day in any answer, any more bit my own mind. Yedi here mpedi for dia nka anybody will be nka ebe some combat makofa and some contenders some Ghana amanyo ne Ghana man for be some say so mungiso so what you say I don't know yeah before no anybody will be so if you more ha so what national check the way a Ghana for criteria omode pick obi ana omode trust obi a it's what na say what makes sense I say that. In fact, sometimes you too quite continue so boy. So what you say? Am I who say think I am a happy crown, I be in Ghana. Yeah. And can you ever said almost now? What you say? Only second price if ye and now we talk car expensive. You couldn't so in answer for a Kenyan support society, the account. And I'm a boy. Sir, but the book of Ghana bank busia.
And I said, everybody rent a car, renting or team or did you?
Ghana, the owns of renting or video. Into the fund is a rent crown. I just say, Ubako Naka at the corner crown. Nanyakia. What you say? The city public based on the idea. And yet, so it's a media. Omunina, said I will kind Dr. Bawumia. Also, I could say, I could 8 times as
Oko 8 years as a running mate to a party, and was a vice president of the Republic of Ghana. 8 years.
Yeah, as a running mate. Okay.
And to here, and the Munyamuna in Fįght. And
was vice president for 8 years.
8 plus 8, no more Dunsia. Yes, a running mate for 8 years, vice president for 8 years.
Running mate, dear. It's just a position. It's just a nominee. You just appointed to be a running mate, but you don't hold any office. Any office there, the man. Oh, I said, yeah, me too. Quite a bit of my country, you Kujami. Say me to me too. Quite, say me to me qua, and now continue qua Kujami. No, every pay. Now running mate, So one renewed elections now. Just mere slogan, keke. So. Just me a slogan keke. In fact, my nyeshi. So now maybe a kakra me can say Ghana for no more when it comes to who they want him to lead the country.
All right.
Because and you be qualified here do mention is
Yo, let's speak to Fįght with Fįght. Dr. Bawumia after Obey vice president, MPP didn't be denied say Omu Frank Atuni. ama results onya ye no esewani intina ebi susu se results ya opanyini MP pedini buy onya ye amwa so enka be yanka ontwe ne ho nenka obi foforo mra sa asem no o so mo say
so I keep stand where I was. Acquire a system and it belongs to a certain political party. So what you say?
Yeah.
Say you ewa and automatic obey Ghana mampenia and come we can. That's also no. Where you are, you only for your political party to contest for the next general elections. And yes, sir.
Yeah.
Which is next 3 years. And you're bad. So we're lucky. Now, imagine the interest of Ghanaians or please the interest of Ghana, then he will make to be a president elect for the country. And then the mama, might be a bit media and watching. I can be saying, yes, sir. Then I can and consider I mean, Omampani Abedi said that Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. So, Ghana, Bako Semua. Media minimum will be dear. But South Ghana Bako Semua or ye one person one make you recorder behind ye me knowledge no semi boa obi so betimi up contest and now we betimi up contest the maker by all this people the me person make am ye way any say ama me minima me kasa ni say o hwe ye fourth republic ya ye bad democracy no ye first president enya na ye omampanyin wonya ne baby call His Excellency President J. Rawlings only a first democratic president on the fourth republic and okay so near practice be Kwame Nkrumah Mutai that time made the name me I don't want to talk about things minye privilege so at yes there's also Rawlings amamu bano Rawlings being vice president near friend Aka they call in cancer Aka
Aka
yes Aka me narrate at diamond for any DH Aka by your mampanya be DH for so many years instead that time you call a furnace a revolution na ye coup d'etat na ye be dia de umuna Rawlings a democratic elected president na e po ne swaba and o winning and we me boss Professor Mills very noble intelligent man so Professor Mills buy no onuna onka all set fair space by introducing VAT VAT valid added tax Professor Mills buy no the impactation no was Jamaican was VAT okay or ya dey be to be honest or ya dey pa Professor Mills ya dey pa enti ofri ho na jump free on so e call His Excellency ex-president J.A. Kufuor omampanyi Kufuor time so no na the vice president friend Aliu Mahama omampanyi Aliu Mahama na ono omampanyi obeboa omampanyi Kufuor e wonu nwuma yim ama mfie nwotwe no e ba besi ni koye ofri ho na e jump call friend say Professor Mills na no ye vice inter Rawlings time no ono be president obey president no na unya na be di the current president then John Dramani Mahama his vice which is the current His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ofri ho na eba na Akufo-Addo and Akufo-Addo buy Professor Mills omampanyi Mahama buy no no so yi pa kwasi amisa ata the vice enti oni pa kwasi amisa ata na ede adwuma enti Kofi Anto ata na papa no efri mu ofri ho na amamu sa shift enti usha Professor Mills the dwuma dia odi Rawlings time no Ghana for on by giving the opportunity to serve as a president. And ono so beye no mampanyin na ono so sebi ofiri mu ntem enti ebedi mahama ho na mahama epeke mampanyin da ebebi akiri misapa kwese misata it is all trace na ofiri ho na mampanyin akufu ado bae obae na ono so de mampanyin abedi akiri dada Mahamadu Bawumia de ebae ena Mahamadu Bawumia free ho ena Don Dramani Mahama na oba first na saba na this time around odo oba aba me twa picture we actually na odo wani mamu pese wani coach nti uhwe race na all the vice presidents you know yeah highly significant Professor Mills then no vice no na Mr. Mahamadu Bawumia vice. That is on the current vice with him. Now share obia impactation in the country. Bawumia were exceptional. The exceptionally now me can say on no time no. Though he was so vice president position no, you don't hold the authoritative powers in the land. So what you say? We assist you be won adwuma yi mu enti no uka asema nipa no opa na oyeden ofa ompa omfa in this case no nye ne obeka bia na nipa ndi be adwuma na ho so kra no na most times no so help mampanyin that Rollins any Mr. Nkons Mr. Ka story na idumiri kwa ma ne koye ntoka because kan asema na Rollins mfa bet ye ba na ye bo mu nyina edin ema ntokwa kakra ba omuntem to what you say na sa ntokwa na ba omuntem no ema amampanyi dada Rollins echinji aka no ko fa personals so we have a story ni nyina na it tells you clearly say amampanyi abedi atirefo no enyo no we in charge of the affairs of the country to what you say ubeti me contribute to idea. But why you know any of the finality decision for the country? Why you know will be held? A bit, but if I am fine, so okay, I'm pretty prepared. So I am next year. It's me, you know. I'm say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. So international shiny na open so kind of crepa. You give him credit. Oba you know, and all the interoperability when you buy. What he does is there was no mobile money pay system in Ghana. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and introduce mobile wallet cash transfer to banks, transaction it was under his maneuver, under his provision. So what you say? Because now was knowledge no, and the whole Ghana started Ghana be Ghana no. Economics okay, Professor is not a tax expert. It may or economics knowledge kakra, but no fully economics. Bawumia de a student of economics. So what you say? No. What economics in terms of management, how to manage money, affairs of economic staffs, were very good on that field. It's all about Bawumia, a quite call first MPP for offer the buyer. They bring into the board based on trust. So what you say? Because no one say our knowledge about so many things, and he has, but unfortunately, he was a vice president to a very difficult president, which is Mahamadu Bawumia. Me from a distance, no, me who say he did it very, very difficult, or a very difficult president. Me generate that me who no, say na man of Bema Makano. Again, in America, sir, is because in a term of governance, no, term of ruling as a president, no. Me notice no mami and son or a very, very arrogant, me knowledge. He was very arrogant. The arrogance, you know, meaning say ono ankasa wo ya aware so we arrogant. Emuno abeni su, and he doesn't realize that they are too arrogant, because in many occasions and instances, no, or demonstrating you who some Mampenya Kufuor were very arrogant. And in this any panel, say, what do you Mampeni abedi say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia man so in Yajuma, a very diama, said Bawumia Puse or Kansema, Panibiti, in Tiamfan and Chinoho. 2, Mampenya Kufuor would need respect and many pap. Besides the arrogance, you know, and leading it to that, say, we mean say, any part we need to send me, so I need to feel like the way people feel. Only be. And you know, only team many pap. And I'm 3. Osa, a journey, a certain mindset in a bedi Ghana and so. Obedi Ghana and so. Nana Junior say, Obedi Ghana so no de Yalamu, and in a bushia. So I know mammy and sa pen or babidi akunam senti. So obi blame Bawumia. Say me knowledge and me tenasna me assess ya. Blame Bawumia enyi. So person who's Bawumia ne competency a for the super. And let's say Bawumia or can't say mkramenyi sana or can't say will be creating or their year. Because when Penny Kufuor the bit match with him, I can't say no inside some okay and you know cray and I on yet. The Tobit Mitchell when you might build a catch. So what you say? In a day, the paper say, would you blame Nukoma on doing a big yetira and you want a mafana decision? A very time you look at it. Maybe MPP need to make my capacity city a pepe. So what you say? Because I'm not part of them. So we are or John Kunibi. And Tini can't be anything. But yeah, I enjoy being there. You make my capacity because in any case, only power beam so that they can use those powers to overpower other people. It needs to many numbers, but you see, we are assessing them based on almost sitting on money a better night. And you know, when Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia chance we nya nanko be more because me can say you be 11 no, you be set in 11 no. Within the MPP no. Yes, Bawumia say on supporting the e-levy agenda. And I'm so even he make attempts to resign cry and yes, you have a election about 50 party and blah blah blah. No kodanche. Adutwum ko. In this all share with Ubun Kompong Kosho Wachia or a knowledgeable person as compared to the 4 people now more contesting in terms of governance because we're open. So what you say? Menkase other 4 no any meka obia pemi me de minimum no meka obia standard I mean say qualify na standard the city usigina nti Bawumia de nka ohwa ono na ye the right person now for the party in terms of nimdim ene amanyosem no ono no akodare mu chen all the other 4 na omupese omonene e contest no yaso no enya hona amanyosem no ya na bebre hwe free on any panel relationship aban no kra na omuwo no treatment omudima some party members be it may be rise against others and I wish obi dey say Kwabena Agyapong a very knowledgeable person engineer Kwabena Agyapong and so in India, amanyosem a conkain as to compare to all the 4 no ono amanyo sem hunim die no so pass o munina political administrative na nse ono no the field of governance no as a leader I think say wabeye different. I quite remember the previous position at President Kufuor, but as a general leader, to say vice president, the president, them say Onyandru Hoye. Afi, and the first one was just untimi Indru ana untimi. In terms of say, yeah, di nyansa ni nimdie eye amanyosem ekire adwene contribute to idea no. Or you superb, or you very, very intelligent on that field. And what position we field now making. You see, I can't say too much about him because we need the opportunity to show what he can do. When it comes to Adutwum, a former Minister of Education. In fact, or you're too fantastic when it comes to the field of education. Obey educational minister no. Oh yeah, so marvelous works. The day the fame will be a who new mapa. Oh yeah. Why are there? In fact, or constructing new facilities for the new schools, even in the rural areas, any deprived or remote areas. You know, indeed. So share. Pre-education said you want to handle no started with Napo as the vice and obey minister designate Namswa or the Adutwum so as see or flag bearership no so yeah no about Mr. Bryan Acheampong. Mr. Bryan no national security and they call agric. In terms of national security, no, or do in terms of the security affairs, no, any opinion, Anna, etimase. You know, Bryan, so in terms of business, so or business-oriented person. When you inquire first for investment, that dynamo, Chikasem and America, so now, over the Almighty Canada Japan, so and say, are you very vocal, very outspoken person, or Canadian, and are you very bold person? Me best of knowledge, and I'm a day assess so many now. The American, me best of knowledge. And I'm in Japan, are you very straightforward person. But you see, or a businessman also so pay him no, or according to him or be a human baby. Or the Pia or Tau to say, oh, yeah, the Ghana man or with my managing said you managing in human. But my problem is, I didn't think Ghana for or person mommy to me and son and my yet they miss me to my head. That's why I have a problem with the people. Because we are say big men, they don't need to be a president. Spend or open infrastructures or open companies to employ people. They don't need to be a president. They don't. Make a place or you're very good. But in terms of mine, a full managemental process. I was so in your full knowledge of management because you are going to manage the people, the affairs of the state, even resources, any BBR, you need to manage it. Sometimes, you know, preposition, meet me, we are competent to, hold such high positions in the administration, in the government, not aboame. But so knowledge you form one, your book as you said, you better know who said, "Adia did me." But make what you say. For example, what do you make to finance? Also need any background about finance. So me the numbers be na me twist what junior. Ebesi then ube hunu na nipa na yebonia ko echipa. So what do you make to health? Na me expertise on health no e wo form a. Me di bone ama akwa echi ansana wenya knowledge. Say the me ye necessary change me kra. O is all your reshuffle. But in all no enipa 5 amabo mu din nyina. Say us yesi de no kre na e kan sema. Na nye tribal, na nye political mahant, na nye trader. Bawumia credential surpasses all of them. To be frank and honest. Bawumia credential surpasses all of them because or a full economics. So what you say? And yet, by all means, someone need to be economic before become a president. But dispensation, Ghana, a third world country, no. I was so need to be all managerial ideas, any capacity to manage your affairs. Because
me trawano, Panyasi the Jawan they are small. I mean, anything I will be a vice president na Nimisenka into to Yibibekoye. But Ghana for is your opinion, Omo 2 MPP are buying on Egui. Bawumia edin Bawumia edi Bawumia edi mutintin bai pa o. Enti say mekai beginning is now what say now on active like now almost the coin policy making. But I don't know one o e catch na be say do say approach in say like no baby wo ha enka approach na can happen. So as no obisbeka to say so now wonim say o ka levy asem Oka taxes, once a many any resign, no be one say, Jumedia de Mahono, Oka o Monfa, Nico be one say, eh, Papa, or can no mind you. But what now I'm in film watching about me yet, Tremoma, what's up by a flag bearer? Ama, party netting could go dear. One old Cosus watching and say, oh, you're the best economist. Mamma Sancho, I don't call lectures, plethora of lectures, or give you when MPP was in opposition. I just say, Obikrabeka say when it comes to economics, I guess Ghana how you need economics papa bia. But once again, you did Ghana say or mine ye. I go for the president or your vice, Mumumi Ghana forced derby, Munkot Nefi in 2024. And Bawumia may have all the credentials, but you had timing, no. Among your 7 years, Ghana ye epe. Timing, Emre almost says here, would Bawumia be a better choice for the MPP, or would Acheampong or Bryan or Agyapong or Adutwum be a better choice?
Yeah, okay. I have here. I say, make us as I still stand. Bawumia in opposition with a matter of hope. Any chest out now unim say eba in management affairs, economic affairs, financial affairs, yeah the man no yan farmer. Though in politics, vice president, you know, are in charge of the economic affairs. But under Kufuor and Tessa, under Kufuor na you for reata. Any guy be Asante Bedia too. So what you say? You will be there a ceremonial we are in himself now your head we but you mouth the opportunity to do what you can do. So who can simply say Adena one resign? It will be a suicide for Bawumia to resign whilst they were in power. Then it's in a political career no. Wokuno. What do you say? Because Orizaya, he can't contest in the ticket of MPP. Maybe he wasn't in interest to also go for opposition and as an independent party. And unlike Alan Shamate, it drew maybe now Alan Shamate I think on the 7th year. Who said normal, still a normal and function the way he proposed to the president. So no put name in Syria, so or resign. What you say? Or resign, you know, and for be Papa Biamreno. Let me go what you say. Because he resigned and form his own party. And Alan, you're one fine candidate. But he has moved from the bigger portion of political side now to form a minor political party. Friend. Afrafranto and says it's also from United Party. United Party. Good. So in this case, you know, we are work inside and our work foresight and our we study things for long, you know. You may not wish to depart from a car with accident. For example, we meet our cab. And a driver no drive careless. And a oka unti. The only thing I'll be is over bomb pie second back with Jina Boko, Nejina, now I found one either saw any bay juma, and now any yuma, and I'm so Mickey attempt second economy racia, Ubu, Abraka, need to go an incident. Because a moving vehicle, no, jump pussy for ma, a rolly when it's bitching, which we buffalo. I go now come up. So Bawumia not resigning in politics, no, is the best decision he took. But quite this, Obiso Kasa, depending your right, say, why didn't you resign? But in all, but maybe dear, so Obusamia, MPP as a political party, they want power or more opposition. So what the candidate bar? Candidate Bia is going to be new to Ghanaians. And don't forget, say, a new candidate can never win election in a third world country because we are base. I will say people need to patronize him a lot for a long time. And Bawumia is one person. They have tried him, and in terms of percentage wise, we are 41% against the last elections. 41% no winya. They only need 9+1 to emerge victory.
But 1.7 million vote gap. It's not easy to bridge. And Abufona Ghana for the Kotwa ban.
It's very easy.
Okay.
Because the anger was not on Bawumia, it was on Akufo-Addo. Bawumia lose the election because of what people have against Akufo-Addo, and therefore the MPP in general. What I say? Akufo-Addo treaty most people, even within his own party. Akufo-Addo do maybe now when he realizes there's an election ahead of him. Akufo-Addo do maybe not the highly disrespectful even to the chiefs, not too much. Akufo-Addo was highly disrespectful to the electorate. A place in Ashanti region. No, he went to one of the media stations. I think it was PFM also. And I said, I'm paying. I'm for a brace, I'm quine. Now, why am to Abama? Wasn't before Mumbai. Me want to me for
that was Otek FM.
Ever. Man to Abana, me for Mumbai. Now, who want to me? You see, such an arrogant poster and say a leader in a campaign era, a freelance. But you see, habit, Subai, Etinipamu lives in one. Until you can't hide a character. Nothing can stop character when he really wants to come out. And when you identify Nipa, your character identify who you are. Until a idea when you muna sana or tiena untimensa or bet when you walk up me so beku arrogance. Until sa no manini or kwa ye or so hinibia and solia and chiano minim jena usoli jena o chia diba breno. And I do maybe not I say John a cool Manuku. You see, don't forget that in political party the representative of the people is the MPs, member of parliament. They are the representatives of the constituents, the people, the voters. It is a munipa 90 adjoining Abekacho so Mampeni. Yeshemuno, the finance minister. After your ministers was so reshuffle. The Omama can the public fee. Even the MPs, member of parliament, are strong winds. According to information, they say he denied them even having a meeting with them. So what I say? So he denied them.
Ebiana na me can say, sir, or political experience, no, and no been a Ghana for the target and others. Oh, a Bama yourself, actually, dear, what dear church from 1977. And the papa when your man acquire, or Baba Ghana ye or anti corrupt.
Bawumia, didn't know what dear man your cemetery. Bawumia, in any case, Bawumia wasn't an MPP member. So Bawumia became known to Ghanaians based on the credentials. Amampenya Akufo-Addo de his slogan, any some friends, ni old politicians, be are not omu pegged by hook or creek, power, and omu canvass a company, a lie, malign lies, and whatever to people for people to believe, say, only when you seek a crowd, you in your way. Not knowing so an issue, but you see, in Akan proverb, is this will be person who dimuso, na a chrono person who disuno, or so about brand uni. If you will crown more, Mumu is so cushiony. But they make what you say. So we so decrubiso. No, so a bonnet bra or no dear bar or bano. They will move charming in the moon and century and put him on Sana when we appoint here. Mumu is so become on tro or better down. A been a Akufo-Addo, a Akufo-Addo, Mampenya Akufo-Addo, Mampenya Akufo-Addo. He lied to Ghanaians to power. He lied to them. I need to be frank and sincere. He lied to them. But you see, Okasembi say, now people say, old politician who named there, Bawumia own is different. Bawumia came in economic size. Somewhere here will be a boom. But Omunya put me in the way, you know. The reason to Omudia far Bawumia. Mama Nanya, you want to me to come out for Yata. So on the bank, on the bank, and you get the piano. Among for the proposal, Natana Alan, the Minister of Industries. Proposal, Homogenum Diato, Scabiano, Inisika, Sa. Mampenya Akufo-Addo, with much respect, you know, one and one ne philosophy, any future generation. ABI China be Nibushi Bepaso Oba Abaya Manyon. Akufo-Addo Amwasa Funina. So because of Chebi, I know for a team of politics, Akufo-Addo Ebemana Benyadimbon. Because why not deal under normal circumstances and go Yajuma Riba, I think I can afford money to. Or Yajum is why Yajumu or Yajumapa. The Jumaini in I say, oh, you're gonna fulfill us or Yanako Swadi, say the Sikan or Dibu or mine. You are not pay. And yet, the demand in necessary you, the honor pay and I know a pay. Worship, baby, or yana quite muster, a de could crew. So what you say? They no could crew chibi. And you should do a crew 50. Nina a part of Ghana, but why only there? Tom, even almost stronghold Kwanaya Ashanti region. Not even my right. And you see, who says this? I know my way in Bawumia, different from Akufo-Addo in terms of experience in politics. Akufo-Addo was an old politician. Bawumia was an economist. So what you say? Intino, Bawumia me to a ya me no say. As I keep saying, we are delegates in a leader. But don't forget, say, leader beyond being piano. Afena NDC for the dosage every babontin. Abe malai no. Who the canker in that person. But in terms as to Bawumia dear, or call last election in Tino, the only be on Becca be on my day. Oma can we? The Obabekan Afan is when he was in opposition. And the Obabekan Obekabia and Ghana for that any new mom. They make what you say. So they need to, and under normal circumstances, less advisor. They need to rally behind Bawumia and then join hands and unitary front to be able to, you say NDC, almost so a problem. Basso and many Yinchibia is almost who is going to succeed after Mahama Ezra. But almost the but it's NPP then because the NPP every year. Man last elections because maybe the Mahamadu 1 year, me said them who be extraordinary be Ghana. People keep saying so Mani Majo, I drew him for net saying no judge baby na Adutwum because say like young party any system and that's why people keep saying first year train the second year. Difference for now only the Indian Fanto. No, say PT4 the power they shouldn't bring a new candidate because party in power on the new candidate never. Also, the new candidate bar or upper hand chair. So what you say? 39%, 41% now you come with Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. It's because those 39% are the rare MPP members are among dear. Among 4 trouble no crown. Those people are really MPP members among trouble, so they are there. So it's MPP to work hard to, retain. Percentage wise, the more MPP for 1.7 at the same trouble. Percentage wise, increase NDC votes, and yes, I'm going to my NDC, name of Omodia NDC for the Motuabano. So it means, the more DNA from no more DNA ice scale, no more DNA basro. Percentage wise, that's how it works. And a Kufuado who before the two abandons a free baby trip. They say NPP for a petumia, meaning Omuji BBD, Omodia, you'll be better be Omuji, and I follow their stomach. So, yes, I know the sincerity valley and there to no money there. Come value who deserves no to me, the man. Son, I'm imagining.
Yo, na me try to see income share. Say, Yamanya show me a coin income share. You did say a boy because Germany, honor Renat Bonkim, no, as if when free, but on time to say, moon, Eshen come babies are about one a better chancellor and a German president. But Ghana, dear. Party be air co primaries and come share. Obi kope MP adi and come share. Ibe yi man panyine this and come share bansa. Oji di say Ghana can transition from that phase to another phase. And I say a yesu into every order. Na odwa no sia ma me prep.
Yo. And commission I say ni twi ye dey. And bro for ye dey.
Like prophecy.
Onim say society bia ejimi for doors no. They try their best. Those Jimmy for Sebiu. Almost try our best to pull the few people non feel so many to their level so that they can control them. When is sanity? One more example. Charles says, "What was you see? The Oko baby now Korean some for doors so power or now no could diagram. Or move try my part of them so that. Or advance who are in some moment, Umbet control over you. Unnecessary reality. Young society, intellectuals is literacy standard near very high. And people believe mere speculation. People just believe mere speculation. Yes, no much they not they follow it. Yes, way say no way say. When you say Ghana pen will be who I choose to be in Kuno. And Sana, any enormous bina as of phone be the so class of phone be. Etimatanasia says when he say this is the only way. A bit me a torment a man for Junama, you won't be shown Muna on my buy because any a catch. Meanwhile, no be any that a bet. Ubu, I catch any say, meaning none of soften over no soften the picture. I don't know soften no not yes. I did before ya. Yet miracles di. Yes, Christo Catre, Pharisees, Nisamo, Adia Mujidi and Sanctuary, and Mimian Sanctuary, Bian Tremo. Nemu. About Bano, Ama, the 3 days of us are sorry. Not at the Boniface Rabba, and we and Sanctuary can see how Jidini be also Jidi. Yes, society. But to about now, Oma, yes, because the illiteracy level near too high to the extent say most of the people they do it in churches, and also be out or so be our calling chain. And I can tell, as of for let me the same mindset, the poverty people, Majiji, and Yafunisika, no Mudi Bibua, the elite people can crab in who almost was, they invest in them. It's what you may say, for example, a big man with Charles. Sorry, Wahana, Ernest, sorry, Waha, and Untino. When a boy, when a way, software one dance here. Over could be 30, 40 years. Century because sorry, emphasis can invest business and our brabo. The masses now are the poor people. I'm not saying church going is no good, but based of unconscious in a mature. In Tiamani Pande Pre, AGDA. I just say, all these men are lazy people. They don't have anything to do in life unless some German Fusika, and they feel big on them. That's what you say. They don't have anything to depend on. Only be here to depend on and to take people for money from the poor, and they live on that money and feel big. Now, the other one who is Jamaican and the cray, for compare Abuja, Ginwa, we eat the corner simple comma, a certain citizen do Krum has said, Meyalia Bompay, Mammy, Anama, Jumani, Anna, Bonia Guinea, what Trasa level, who say, Yakupon, Dunipina equally. And I give you the happy Nipabia is this trying to happen now happen. Boniji is anomaly. To what you say, it's Bruni say, and you also soften the back candy basic in because you also soften to miss a sashi in the realms of the spirit. They can only fool people by predicting so predictious. Because in life, you know, Mr. Charles, me no dear goya, you bet my case, oh, bet my cancer be a far because of some study one channel, me win life in it. But yet, this ain't no crap, but a mindset. In the politicians, you know, because they see numbers in the church, once the politics are numbers. And even though they know that the politicians, so from what they are saying is not true, no, because they have the numbers, they will go there to be part of their fooling, so that they can get the numbers they want. What you are saying? I don't know. So before we have genuine men of God, of course, but 95% of those prophets, no. Free nyame, nimshe, nim free frakra, kasa baby but because again, the parents say we show say also we be wu ana a madness because Metusala, the story in the Bible. Odi 900 unim the legacy ujai. He died. So what you are Bible says where they Jesus Christ every 33 years was so. The legacy ujai the Christianity or the buy any how to forgive sin. What you say? Your impartation is important as how long have it so. It's not how long you live. But impartation then we impact you as so. But so for na catch and say Obanwa or control be still out did it so for no correct. So and then you find stupidity no. Knowing the truth, but believing lies, no, is stupidity. And you know, as of phone comes in our motion, that's their way of living. And only crime for somebody. And they have tried their best, even though most of them are illiterate. And they are educated, almost are joining because one who say, because they are for cry, school kaka. Because u training will be a one knowledge or book knowledge. No sa the criminal can one who seen bibia. Na ni nyina hu if Nigeria na abagana. First this and when ni Ghana. Intermediate Mr. Charles so busa me a media say MPP per victorious leader Mahamadu Bawumia no rally united front. I mean unitary front to rally behind the man. No munyai pettiness ne by bites ne ubia pese and MPP no problem no kasa ne do party because they are telling you too much. So because they go to extend say could be personal life, will be family life, which has nothing to do with politics. Until we are how can people reconcile say young German inca. Abra odi di me na me yere na me mat me di me ma me papa atem eno na big problem mo na e bi need ye odi di me ana ne refi asem ti no e bia ne dru ha na ya mom bibia di na o ma forget ntimi de so ko Ghana election so dey obi anya ma Mahamadu Bawumia ni ehwe ne next 4 years no baby odi Ghana ba kudu and the decide say Ghana for any beje say NDC for yensa mo another chance and na ya unyo musi nchen yemfa a new candidate mra me de memiti ana me hunu fa
Medasipi ye de besia ne na emresem ne saba nchen
Miss Medasi na me nkan bye